In this video, I will show you how MLA 9, APA 7, and Chicago citation styles can be updated in MS Word. I have 4 references ready in my document. First, let's try MLA 9. As you can see, everything is in order. The author's first name is not abbreviated, the title in uppercase, the edition, then the publisher, and here University Press is shortened into UP. And finally the year. Notice that in MLA 9 the city of publication is no longer needed. Now the magic comes. Just select APA 7, and there you go. All references are automatically formatted. The author's first name is abbreviated. The year follows the author immediately. The title is in lowercase, unless there are words which must be in uppercase, such as the word American here in the example, and finally, the publisher, where University Press is not shortened as in MLA 9. The second entry is a journal article. In APA 7, the volume is in italics, and the issue number is in parentheses, then page numbers. I will revert to MLA 9 to show you the difference, where the volume is preceded by volume, and the issue number is preceded by no, then the year, and finally, the page's number preceded by pp. The third entry is a chapter in an edited book, written by 2 authors. MLA 9 uses edited by, followed by the editors, whereas APA 7 uses eds. The last entry is a journal article with titles of plays which, in APA 7, must be capitalized and in italics although the rest of the title is in lowercase. This is a major problem in most citation software in the market. The fun does not end here. We still have Chicago 17 style, both author date, and notes. I will show these 2 without commenting on all the differences from other styles. Just notice how the publication place is still required by Chicago style. When it comes to in-text citation, nothing could be simpler. Have a look. Here is another example of Chicago Note style citation. Choose the style from the drop-down menu. Insert footnote. Choose your reference by clicking on Insert Citation. Then add the page or pages. And you are ready to go. That's all guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching.